Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Line. Myself Milan Patel, Assistant Professor at LJIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is Building Services. It is the third lecture of this chapter. In previous lecture, we have covered three topics. First, house drainage system. Second, components of house drainage system. And lastly, we have covered various systems of plumbing. In today's lecture, we will cover first, electrification. Second, building finishes. And lastly, we will cover HVAC system, which is heat, ventilation and air conditioning system. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's begin with electrification. In this topic, we will discuss first, what is electrification? Then we will discuss various appliances which are run by electricity. Then we will discuss domestic power supply, and lastly we will discuss electrical layout for a residential building. Okay, so let's start with what is electrification. Electric power supply from substation to the building and in all appliances is carried by proper cabling of and wire circuit. Okay, wire circuits may be concealed in the walls or may be kept open. Nowadays, in most of the buildings, except industrial building, all power supply cabling is concealed in the walls. Okay? Planner has to identify location of all appliances as per furniture, arrangement and interior decorations. Then, one has to decide the power consumption of each appliance. Okay? Then, total power supply circuit from power company substation to the meter in the building and from the meter to all appliances is designed to ensure safe and constant power supply to all appliances in the building. Okay, this is called as electrification. Okay, now let's see various appliances which are run by electricity, like lights, fans, televisions, air conditioners, pump, computer, oven, water heater, many others which are run by electricity. Okay, these are the various appliances. Now let's discuss domestic power supply. Domestic electricity supply normally effected through distribution systems such as single phase and three phase system. Normally small buildings are supplied with electricity by two wires, one phase wire and the other is neutral wire. This is known as a single phase supply and gives a voltage for the premises of 240 volts. Okay, in large buildings, electricity is supplied in three-phase system. In three-phase, four wires bring in 420 or 240 volts at 50 cycles per second. The voltage between any two of the phase wire is 450 volts and between any phase wire and the neutral wire is 240 volts. Okay? Electric motors are usually designed for three-phase system. When electrical appliances like refrigerator, air conditioners, washing machines, grinding mills are to be operated in the building at three-phase system. Okay, so three-phase supply is necessary for large buildings. Now let's discuss electrical layout of a particular residential building. This is the electrical layout of 2 BHK residential building, in which you can see two bedrooms are there, one drawing room, one kitchen, bathroom, water closet and one additional veranda is there. Okay, in which all rooms, major rooms contains ceiling fan. Okay, the sign of ceiling fan which is shown in this figure also. Okay, then exhaust fan is provided at the kitchen. Various bulb sockets are provided in all the rooms. Okay, including bathroom and water closets. Various tube lights are provided in large rooms. Okay, then all these appliances, all these connections are connected with one switchboard. Okay, so each room has a switchboard. Okay, exactly nearer to the entrance of the room, like near the door. Okay, you can clearly see the switchboard are near the door, so user can enter and switch on the lights as fast as possible. Okay, then number of switch sign is also shown in this layout also. Okay, so this is the electrical layout of 2 BHK residential building. That's all about electrification. Now let's discuss second topic in today's lecture, which is building finishes. In building finishes, first is plastering. This is the process of covering various surface of the structure like wall or column or any other with a plastic material such as lime mortar, cement mortar or a composite mortar. It is done to obtain an even, smooth, regular, clean and durable surface. Okay. It also provides a protective coating against atmospheric effects such as rain, water, snow effects, etc. It is a base for whitewashing, color washing, painting, etc. So this is the plastering. Next building finishes is pointing work. This is the process of finishing of mortar joints in exposed brick or stone masonry. Okay. In figure you can clearly see the pointing work. Okay. Pointing is applied by two operations. Masonry joints in brick or stone are raked out to a depth of about 15 mm. These joints are filled up by a suitable mortar of richer mix. Pointing gives a good appearances to the masonry work and also prevents the entry of rainwater in the wall. Okay, so for exterior work or for exposed brick masonry work, pointing is carried out instead of plastering. Okay. Third building finishes is painting. This is the process of coating of paint as a final finish to all surfaces such as wall, ceilings, columns, beams, wooden works, metal works, etc. It is done to protect them from weathering effects. It also prevents decay of wood and corrosion of metal. It gives clean, colorful and pleasing surface of the components. Okay. The fourth building finishes is varnishing. This is the process of applying varnish to the wooden surface and also to the painted surface. It is done to improve their appearances and to protect them from atmospheric actions. Okay. Usually varnishing is done on wooden surface. Next building finishes is distempering. This is the process of applying distemper over the plaster surface more easily and with lesser cost compared to paint and varnishes. It is used to safeguard them against weather effects and improve their appearances. It is the water paint consisting whiting or such as powder chalk, glue, which is act as a binder and suitable color pigments. Okay, so distemper is the combination of, you can say, powder chalk, glue material and some pigments of colors. Okay, distempers are readily available in variety of shades in the form of stiff paste or a dry powder in sealed tins. Okay. Next is whitewashing. In this process, a mixture of pure fats like lime in sufficient quantity of water is first prepared. It is then screened through the coarse cloth and a mixture of boiled gum with rice in certain proportion is added to it. Okay. Then the solution is formed, which is called as whitewash. It is then applied by a brush to the surfaces by 3 coats. Okay, in 3 layers. This is called as whitewashing. And the seventh is color washing. Color washing is prepared by adding coloring pigments to the screen whitewash. Okay. Generally, used pigments are yellow earth, red ochre and blue vitriol. Okay. These are crushed to powder before mixing. The color wash is applied in the same fashion as the whitewash. Okay. For color washing on new surfaces, the first primary coat should be of whitewash and then subsequent coats should be of color wash. Okay. So for painting or for color washing in the residential building, first of all we have to apply whitewash and then we have to apply color wash. Okay. These are the various building finishes. Okay. Now let's discuss the third topic in today's lecture, which is HVAC system. It is also called as heat ventilation and air conditioning system. The main purpose of this system is to make your indoor air quality comfortable. Okay. Good HVAC system provide improved air quality with perfect insulation for home. With innovative technologies, a new generation HVAC system has become both energy efficient and also the cost efficient. Okay. In HVAC system, first is heating. Heating system is mostly used in cold countries. Okay. In India, heating system is not much provided. In residential buildings, heating is done by furnace or a boiler. It also includes a pipe system for the fluid delivery, the heat or a ductwork for forced air systems. There are two types of heating system. First is direct heating and second is central heating. Direct heating is used for heating only the one room, okay, while central heating is used to heat every room in the building via radiators or duct lines. Okay, so this is called as heating in the room. Second system is ventilation. Supply of fresh air into enclosed space like residential, commercial, public buildings, etc. and removal of vitiated air from enclosed space is called as ventilation. Ventilation of the building can be achieved by two ways. First is natural ventilation and second is mechanical ventilation, or you can say artificial ventilation. Natural ventilation is achieved by providing number of doors, windows, ventilators, skylights, etc. While mechanical ventilation or artificial ventilation can be achieved by three systems. First is exhaust system, in which vitiated air is exhausted by various exhaust fans. Second is plenum system, in which fresh air is forced into the room by ventilators. And the third is extraction plenum system, is a combination of this above two, in which vitiated air is removed by extraction fans and fresh air is forced into the room by ventilators. Okay, this is how artificial ventilation can be achieved in residential or any type of building. Okay. Third is air conditioning. Okay, there are many types of cooling system used in home, business and commercial buildings. The air conditioning system can be broadly classified into two types. First is unitary system and second is central system. The unitary system is usually used for single room, while central system can be used for multiple rooms in the building. Okay, unitary system can be achieved by providing window air conditioner, split air conditioner or a packaged air conditioner, while central system work through two components, compressor and coil and a duct. Okay, compressor located outside the building and it is driven the air. Okay, while coil contains refrigerant that cools air reaching to the coil. Okay, so in central system, two components, compressor and coil and duct line is provided in all the rooms. Okay, this is called as air conditioning system. Now let's discuss various types of HVAC system. First is heat and air conditioning split system. Second is hybrid heat split system. Third is ductless split system. And the fourth is heating and air conditioning in a single package. Okay, let's start with heating and air conditioning split system. The component of this traditional HVAC systems are located both inside as well as outside the building. Okay, the parts of this system are air conditioning unit, various ducts, evaporated coils, thermostat, optional components like air cleaners, purifiers, humidifiers and UV lamps are also included in this system. There are various advantages of this system. First is this will give you the best and effective cooling as well as heating. This can be easily installed in every type of building. This can be operated in a hassle-free way. Okay, and this can cool down and heat up your room very easily. Okay, these are the advantages of this first heating and air conditioning split system. Second system is hybrid heat split system. It is the traditional HVAC split system minus the energy wastage. Okay, in other words, it's a more energy efficient alternative. Okay, when this system fitted with a heat pump, these units perform the same function as typical gas furnaces. Okay, the parts of this system are heat pump, furnaces, refrigerant, evaporated coils. There are advantages of this system. First is Hybrid systems are important when you require enormous heating in winter season. Okay, so when you require more heating in your rooms or building, hybrid heat system can be used. Okay, this system will warm up your room and not add much to your utility bills. Okay, so it will easily warm up your room. Okay, the third type of HVAC system is ductless split system. This system make an ideal option for the places that cannot accommodate the conventional system with ducts. Okay, the parts of this system is heat pump, air conditioner, compact fan coil, control panel with thermostat and wires, tubing, etc. Okay, the advantages of this system is you will need this system for warming up and cooling down various areas of your rooms continuously. Okay, this will provide you with the utility rebates and tax credits for installing this type of ductless system. Okay, there is also a cost saving system compared to the other systems. Okay, now let's discuss the last type of HVAC system, which is heating and air conditioning in a single package system. If your home does not have enough space to accommodate all individual parts of the split system, then you have to opt for a package system. Okay, these units can be used in confined spaces throughout the house, including all rooms. Okay, the parts of these systems are air conditioner or heat pump, okay, evaporated or fan coil, control system. Okay, these are the three parts of this system. There are various advantages of this system. Here you will get the heater and air conditioner rolled into the one system. Okay, this will result in saving you money as well as space in your rooms. Okay, this comes as a savior for the people who stay in an area that is prone to extreme climatic condition where there is more heat as well as more cold effects are there. Okay, there you have to go through this heating and air conditioning in a single package system for cost efficient and for space saving. Okay, that's all about various types of HVAC system. Okay, that's all about HVAC system. Okay, I hope you all understand these three topics: electrification, building finishes, and HVAC system. That's all about the chapter building services. See you soon in the next lectures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Civil Line. Thank you.